You'll be able to earn money completely on autopilot through this website from anywhere in the world, and you don't even have to put up any upfront investment whatsoever. This will be completely free, and I'm going to be sharing with you a 100% free strategy to earn money online. This strategy is also very simple and straightforward in addition to being completely free. I want to urge you to stick around to the end of this video so you know exactly how you can set this up and make the most amount of money possible. But before we get into today's video, please make sure that you subscribe and like this video, as well as clicking on the notification bell so you will be notified immediately every time we upload a brand new video on how to make money online. Okay, let's get started with the video. So this strategy is quite simple and very straightforward, making this very easy for anyone to do. This also isn't confusing at all, so let's begin. So, the first thing we're going to do in this tutorial is head over to google.com. What you're going to look up on Google are the best books in a given niche. In order to figure out what niche you want to focus on, think about what you are interested in. It could be pets, travel, relationships, cars, sports, fashion, etc. Select any niche you desire and jump straight into it. As an example, I decided to search for the best cooking books. I'll focus on this niche as an example to help guide you through this process step by step. Before we get into it, I want to make sure that you know that you won't have to buy any books, nor will you have to read a single book. I know you're probably thinking to yourself that this is really strange and quite confusing, but don't worry. This will all make sense if you stay to the end of this video. Anyways, you will want to select a good quality book after you Google search your niche. So I searched for the best cooking books. After you've chosen a book that you think is best, you'll want to head over to the next website that we will focus on today. That website is called Audible.com. For those who don't know what Audible is, it's a central hub for people to purchase audiobooks. These days, a large percentage of people actually prefer to listen to audiobooks rather than read a book to themselves. This is exactly why Audible has become increasingly more popular over time. When you go over to Audible, you're going to want to go over to the search bar and search for the title of the book that you selected when you searched for it on Google. Check whether it's available or not for people to buy on Audible. It's important to also know that every book that you find on Google, you might not be able to find on Audible. However, you are going to be able to find a lot of them, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. So for this example, with my search, I was able to find this book here, as well as on Google right here. After you've done that, then you're going to want to head over to Google again and search for Audible affiliates. Once you've searched for that, then you will want to click on this link right here. And that's exactly what you're thinking. We are going to be promoting Audible as an affiliate marketer. Before I get into the benefits of being an affiliate for the Audible Creator Program, I'd like to clarify that this program is a bit different than most other affiliate programs that you might be aware of. And the reason why it's different is because Audible grants you the ability to use affiliate links from specific audiobooks. So this explains why you wanted to look for good books on Google in the beginning of this video. The reason why you want to select a good book is because you want to promote something that people are willing to purchase so you can then get paid. You're probably wondering what the benefits are for promoting Audible. The first reason is that there is a great incentive using Audible because you get a free 1-month trial. If you go to the homepage of Audible, you'll be able to see that clearly. This is extremely important because whenever you're promoting something as an affiliate, the most difficult part is actually getting someone to purchase the product. So if there is a free trial for something, they are a lot more likely to try it out, hopefully enjoy using it, and then become convinced to purchase it. People tend to be a little skeptical when it comes to purchasing products online, which is very understandable. But if someone is allowed to try something for free, they'll be significantly less skeptical. This makes it way easier to promote Audible, and it's one of the many reasons why you would want to become an affiliate for Audible. Another great reason to become an affiliate for Audible and promote it is that every time someone signs up for the free trial, Audible will pay you a commission. In other words, people don't have to pay for a subscription to Audible in order for you to get paid a commission. All they have to do is sign up for a free trial and you can get paid. This is a very unique and amazing feature on Audible's affiliate program that will be hard to find in any other type of affiliate program. You'll see here that every time someone signs up for Audible's free trial, you will receive $5 as an affiliate marketer. But whenever someone purchases the Audible membership, you'll receive an additional $10 as an affiliate marketer. And on top of that, every time someone purchases an Audible audiobook, you will receive 50 cents. So clearly, you can see that there is a lot of opportunity to make money through Audible as an affiliate marketer. You'll be able to earn $15 per customer, and that's not even including every time they purchase an audiobook. Getting 10 people to sign up earns you $150 already. So if you were to get 100 people to sign up, that would total up to being $1,500 for you as an affiliate marketer. So basically, Audible is a fantastic affiliate program because it pays extremely well, and it's not that difficult to get people to sign up to the program itself since they get a free 1-month trial. So next, I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to become an affiliate with Audible. First, you're going to have to go over to this page and click on this button right here that says Become an Affiliate. Next, you're going to fill out a form where you will put your personal information. After you've completed that and officially become an affiliate, you will then grab the affiliate link from the book that you chose so you can start promoting and make money online. Now, you are probably wondering how you will be able to find people to promote this audiobook to. Don't worry, I'll show you. If you chose best cooking books like I did, a website I strongly recommend you check out is one called homebarista.com. This website is essentially a cooking forum with many active users engaging in conversation and talking about their interests and passions with cooking. Since there's such an active community of passionate people who love cooking, this makes for a fantastic traffic source for you. I mean, what better place to promote an audiobook about cooking than to a cooking forum? A ton of these members in this forum would love to take a look at the audiobook that you recommend, especially because you can get a 1-month free trial with Audible. So basically, these users are getting a free audiobook for about a month. Who wouldn't want to check that out? So you can clearly see that this is a pretty simple process of referring people to Audible, which will result in you being able to earn pretty good money. So the first thing you need to do on homebarista.com is go up here and click on register to sign up for an account. So to know how to effectively promote Audible to people on this site, you will want to inform these people that you personally found this book that you're promoting to be very useful when it comes to cooking. Say something to the effect of, I found this audiobook for free and it's been really helpful when it comes to getting better at cooking, or something like that. This will get a lot of people to click on your affiliate link who will then sign up to Audible and help you earn commissions. So if you're someone who chose a niche outside of cooking, a fantastic way to find a forum that's in your niche is by going on findaforum.net. As you would expect, this site allows you to search for a bunch of different forums related to your niche or category. I listed a few of the different categories at the beginning of this video, but if you'd like to take a look yourself, you can view them by clicking right here on categories. So when you're promoting an audiobook on any particular forum, you want to make sure that you choose one that's pretty popular. Let's say you selected an audiobook about weightlifting. What you would need to do is click this category right here and choose from any of these forums. Then, you would sign up to one of the forums that you selected and promote your audiobook using the same strategy I mentioned earlier. What's so incredible about Find a Forum is that it provides so many different categories to choose from. Whatever comes to your mind, you can probably find a category for that idea. This means that you're able to promote a bunch of different audiobooks in a variety of different niches. This will allow you to make even more money by using this strategy. And what I would argue to be the best part of this whole process is that the money that you earn over time is all in passive income. Because every time you create a post about your audiobook that you're promoting on any forum, that post will stay there indefinitely. All you have to do is make a post and forget about it. And every time a new person sees that post and decides to click on it and sign up for Audible, you will then earn a commission. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe, and be sure to click on the notification bell so you can watch a new video on how to make money online immediately. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.